Hi friends, myself Bhargav Vyas, and today's our topic is PPT. My first video is there, so how would you like this video after seeing? Tell me in comments. Now before we start to do PowerPoint presentation, we have to s- we have we have to see about some of the features of the computer. This is moving on your desktop. This is called as a cursor and it is handled by a mouse. This is called as a keyboard. This is called as a keyboard and these whole things are called as a laptop. Now this cursor we will move to the windows. There are many devices or applications in these windows. Now there are the some of this. See, you can see here PowerPoint presentation, people, photo, and other many things. There are sitting and other many things. Okay, first, but if you want to search here, then here is a place that type here to search. At down, you can see that type here to search here.
Yeah.
I had typed here a PPT. You can see here. Now I will open it. Now it is opening. You can see here many things: home, new, open, history, account, feedback, options. Now we will take first slide. It is called as blank slide. Now we can see here new slide, layout, reset, select, and other things. First of all, we will take a new slide because this slide is already set up in the laptop. We will take a blank slide and we will write here anything. Now we will write here something about a PPT. I am writing here PPT is now I had written here PPT is a good application. If we want to bold this whole sentence, we can bold by selecting this and we bold here now. If we want to unbold this whole sentence, then we have to select this whole sentence and do bold. If you want to not select, you can't select it, then you can unbold from here also. Okay, now we will do this in italic. See, we had been in italic. It will take some slope in italic. Now we had done this in italic. If you want to not do this in italic, then same process or from here. Now we will underline this whole sentence by using U. U means underline. See, you can see here whole sentence is underlined. Now we will not underline this. Okay, now we will change its size. See, bigger it's happening, means this space is that much only, na? That's why it is happening this bigger only. Then we can take big, or we can take small also. Now we will arrange its size again. See, now we want to change this handwriting in other, so we can change in other language or in other type of the language. See this, if you want to take which of this, if you want to take this, then you can take any of this. You can take, see, this much language are there, you can take any one. If I want to take this, then I will take this. Okay, now I want to cut this sentence, means whole PPT is ready, but this sentence is not suitable for it. Then we have to cross it, A B C, like this. Okay, now I had crossed it. If you want to see, you had crossed, but you after some time you are thinking that this sentence is right, then we have to again select this. Either you can do like this also. See, means whole underline we had done, that is over. Now we will color to it. See, if you want to do shadow, then we can shadow it also. See, now it is shadowing. If you not want to do shadow, then we will cut it. Okay, now we will color it. See, there are many colors like this. We will choose this color. Okay, and if you want to change the color of that word, means that if you want to change the color of text, or that letter, then you have to select hole, and see, you can do from here also. See which color you want, you can take. This not, this will some red. Okay, I will take the red color. Now I had take red color. See that now we will copy to this to another slide, or here we will see. Now first of all we will select this hole and click right button and copy and paste to here. See, paste option is here, we will paste here. Now this letter are small, you can make it bigger by select like this, or either we will select this to like this. See, it is bigger. Now this much we not want, then we will do small ones. Okay, this is better than it. Now we will again change this to this side, either to this side. So friends, today my first video was there. So like, subscribe and comments, tell me in comments how it was. Thank you friends.